You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this brand, as well as how to say more confusing brand names that too many mispronounce. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning how do you say it. Ellesse, like the letters L, S, Ellesse. It's easy, and now you know Ellesse. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations of brand names that too many get confused by and get wrong. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounce. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.